Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox YouTube videos. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by selecting a Roblox game or topic that truly excites you and will resonate with your viewers. Next, outline your video's narrative, thinking about the key moments you want to capture and share. Understanding your target audience, whether they are younger players or seasoned gamers, is crucial for tailoring your content effectively and ensuring maximum engagement. A well-planned video sets the stage for success. Now that you have a plan, it's time to record your gameplay. You'll need reliable screen recording software. Popular choices include OBS Studio or NVIDIA Shadowplay. Make sure your microphone is set up correctly to capture your voice clearly, as good audio is just as important as good video. Aim to record in high definition, specifically 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second, to give your viewers a smooth and visually appealing experience. This quality will make a significant difference. With your footage recorded, the next step is editing for maximum engagement. Import all your clips into a video editing program. There are many great options available. Focus on cutting out any unnecessary pauses or repetitive actions to maintain a brisk pace. Adding background music, sound effects, and on-screen text can significantly enhance your video's appeal and clarity. Finally, export your masterpiece in a widely compatible format like MP4, ensuring a high bitrate for excellent quality. You've created an amazing video. Now it's time to share it with the world. Start by designing an eye-catching thumbnail and writing a descriptive, keyword-rich title. Your video description should be detailed, including relevant tags and links to your other platforms. Don't forget to promote your video across social media and Roblox community forums to reach a wider audience. Finally, engage with your viewers by responding to comments and feedback. This builds a strong, loyal community around your content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.